What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. Here's my 2020 Toyota Tacoma, and in today's video I figured, I got out a little dirty over the weekend doing a trail, and with that comes dirty tires, dirty truck, everything else that comes along with throwing dirt. And I kind of wanted to clean up the tires and wheels, so I kind of want to give this stuff a shot. This is a sticky citrus wheel cleaner from Chemical Guys, and I just picked this up from a local detail shop and want to give it a shot, see how it turns out. So here's the video.
Perfect.
Alright, so what I got is I have a sticky citrus wheel cleaner, and I've just got kind of a generic tire wheel brush, and we'll just follow the directions on the back of the bottle. It says always rinse wheel surface off with clean water to loosen dirt and debris, shake well, spray, and agitate. So that's what we're going to get going. And I got my hose, I got my dirty tires and rims, and everything else. So let's get the water going. Alright, first off we'll just kind of wash off the tire, any of the loose stuff off of there. Grab the sticky stuff, turn it on to spray. Make sure that we shake it up and spray on. The brush a little wet, and just kind of agitate that in. Rinse it off. Alright, so now I got the tire all nice and clean. We'll take a look at a before. So here's the rear. Before, got a nice layer of dirt, dust on it. The tires kind of faded a little bit and all that. It's lost a lot of its luster. Now, after using the sticky citrus, here we are on the clean tire, and you can see some of the fading on the tires still coming back off of the dry, but the wheel is looking really nice and cleaned up there, ready to get dirty on another weekend. So I'm going to do the rest of the truck real quick, and I'll give you kind of my impressions on the sticky citrus from Chemical Guys. Alright, just got done washing the tires and the wheels. So what are my thoughts on the Sticky Citrus wheel cleaner? Well, as we come down here, now we've got a little bit of time for it to air dry a little bit after the agitation and stuff like that. I'm still noticing that on the mat there is a little bit of staining still. You still have kind of that fine dust and everything like that. Plus the tire hasn't gone back to the showroom black look. But overall, it did get rid of quite a bit of the trail dust. So on the application and stuff like that, and when it was looking wet, it looks really nice. I'd probably still do a deep clean on the tire. This is good for just kind of quick touch up maybe before you can really get in there and clean up. The matte wheels for the TRDs do have a tendency to kind of hold a little bit more. They're a little tougher to clean than say a gloss or a chrome or something like that. But overall, I think they cleaned up pretty nicely. You won't notice the fine dusting or coating that's probably still going to be left on there. I'd probably agitate it maybe a little bit longer. Maybe I'll get a little bit stronger bristle brush in order to really kind of dig that out. But overall, I think the product's pretty good. I actually do have a tire shine that is just a quick aerosol tire shine that does hold, but it also kind of fades the tire a little bit, so you kind of have to reapply it over and over again. But overall, I'd say it's a decent product if you're going to just test it out. Get the little spray bottle. Chemical Guys has a couple of different sizes that it does. The spray bottle, I think a gallon concentrate or something like that. But yeah, just so you guys know, this video is not sponsored by Chemical Guys or anything. I bought this product on my own and was just testing it out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, leave me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Perfect.